This is my 4 days and 3 nights Ho Chi Minh trip itinerary, day 2. This is Sheng and tara, travel with me. Located also sa District 1, we had our brunch sa Bonne Banwe at talaga namang sarap na sarap kami dito. This is one of the famous breakfast place here in Ho Chi Minh and guys, talagang napakasarap na mga pagkain nila dito. This place is ideal for travelers who want to experience authentic flavors of Vietnam. We went to Cafe Lin after breakfast and this is just near our hotel at napakasarap din ang kanilang coconut coffee dito. We head straight to Ho Chi Minh Book Street and I must say that I personally love our stroll here. Just across the Ho Chi Minh Book Street is the Notre Dame Cathedral na still under construction. We went to Diamond Plaza just near the Book Street para magpalamig na din dahil ang init sa labas. Next stop is the largest and the oldest post office in Vietnam, the Saigon Central Post Office. We went to Pizza for Peace for merienda and this place is highly recommended. Napakasarap ng pagkain dito. To further explore Ho Chi Minh City, we booked the bus tour through Klook. This bus tour activity is a must-try here in Saigon because at 329 pesos, you'll get the chance to enjoy the beauty of Ho Chi Minh. So that ends our day 2 activity. Stay tuned for our day 3 itinerary here in Ho Chi Minh in my next video.